How to create a Facebook page. Want to make your own Facebook page for your business, blog, or passion? Let's do it right from your Android phone. First, unlock your phone. Tap the Facebook app and get ready to create something awesome. In the top right corner, see those three lines? Tap them. Scroll a bit and you will see more. Click that to expand your options. Now tap on Pages. This is where all the magic happens. You will see a Create button. Tap it and we'll get started. Enter a cool name for your page, your business, blog, or even your pet's fan page. Now pick a category like personal blog, business, travel, or anything that fits. Facebook will give you suggestions. Once that's done, tap Create, and just like that, your page is live. Bonus tip: after creating it, you can add a profile and cover photo or description and even invite friends to like your page. Easy, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.